All right, so you just loaded everyone into your brand new 2025 Honda Odyssey Sport L. Now the problem is though, you got the young whippersnappers in the back seat. They're yelling, they're screaming, they're fighting. They talk about who took the last piece of pie, who smacked who, what's going on for the day. It doesn't matter. Back in our days, the parents used to turn their heads around and yell at us like, "Hey, don't make me turn this around." But now, being a parent these days, it's quick and easy. We got technology on our side. We come over to the touch screen. We're going to select cabin talk. Now you can turn on the microphone. You can adjust the volume as you see fit. And I'd be like, "Hey, kiddos, you young whippersnappers, knock it off," right? Use your parent voice on them, and they can't use the excuse, "Oh, I didn't hear you, mom and dad," as you yell them 500 times. And when you're done, you just hit the microphone button. It's done and over with. And then you can have it there quick and easy when you need to use it on the fly. So how cool is that? There's so many more mini cool features on the Honda Odyssey. I definitely recommend you guys go out there and check these out. Check out my other videos too as well for information overload. I'll see you guys at your next visit at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Bye-bye.